bubbles, you'll be dunked in the water 4 times. Retrieve as many flags as possible. Good luck.
Thanks.
Maybe she won't be able to sing.
She's headed toward the first one. She's in the first one.
And she comes out.
She's got a couple. Looks like she's stuffing them in her bra.
Is she really?
Yeah.
She got a couple more, huh?
All right, here's the last hole.
Oh my God.
She's got a lot.
It's definitely gonna be close. Well, Lisa, only the top 4 scores advance, and we know that Nicole got 9. So what did you get?
9.
Oh!